How to interact with other students on Skillshare. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can interact with other students on Skillshare. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to open up your device and then head over to your Skillshare account, okay, or the Skillshare application, and then launch the application. So after the application has been launched, as you can see on my screen, the next step is for you to select the class whose students you would like to interact with. So for me, it is Figma UI UX Design Essentials. And then once you're on the class page, you can see three tabs such as lessons, projects, discussions. So ensure you select discussions. So after selecting discussions, you'll see other students here, those that have made their interest known and all of that. So you can just go ahead and start up a conversation with any of them. But if you do not want to start up a conversation with any of them, if you would like to state something and you want others to contribute to it, all you need to do is to click on the message box at the bottom part of the screen and then type out whatever you want to, and then whoever sees it will then respond to you. So for this is an example. Hello everyone, I am new here. How is the class going? And then click on send, and then you can now expect your response. Another thing you can do is by sending the message privately to any of the students here. You can interact with them by either liking the post or by clicking on the comments icon, and then you can respond to whatever they have said. So these are the various ways you can interact with students on Skillshare. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.